Yo, what's up everybody? Morgan here with Alchemic Serpents. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm coming at you with some upgraded in size tarantula cribs that we just got in. We're gonna go ahead and set up one of these medium cuboids here, 9 inches by 7 by 6. From our small cuboid we had to get our curly hair transferred over and go through some of the rest of these and what we got going on with them. Alright guys, before we dive in on these, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Really, it means a lot. I say it all the time, but it really does. And I see all the numbers, see everyone that likes the channel, that subscribes to the channels. It means a lot. It helps push us out there. Please go ahead, hit it. Alright guys, so first up, let's go ahead and top off this cuboid. This is Josh's Frog's Dirt. This is what I've been utilizing and it works really well for me, so that should be pretty good. Gonna break up some of these chunks. Alright, now let's see what we can do to deck this thing out for it. Alright guys, this is looking pretty good. I have a couple things in the enclosure that she's already in. I'm going to pop in there once I get her transferred, but let's go ahead and see if we can do this nice and smoothly. She's usually pretty calm. She does kick hairs once in a while though. Alright guys, just showing some size comparison. You can see this can actually fit in there horizontally. Kicking hairs. There you go. Look how much more room you have. Alright guys, so that looks pretty good to me for now. I'm sure I'll come up with some little things to change it up, but just wanted to get her transferred into a bigger enclosure. She's getting a little cramped in the other one. So let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at what else we got in the shipment. So we got our curly hair transferred into the new medium cuboid from the small that she was in. She was getting a little cramped into the small one we had. You can see quite the size difference here. So she'll be doing better in there. I actually got in 2 8-inch fossorial enclosures. Those are upgrades. As far as the cuboid mediums, 4 of them, including the one she's in. I ended up getting another medium tree house for the arboreal stuff I have. I just got in some more Poecilotheria, and then I got a large tree house for the Poecilotheria metallica, the Goody Sapphire ornamental I have. That's starting to get a bit big. After a few more molts, she'll probably be due for an upgraded enclosure, so that'll be ready. Alright y'all, we're finishing this video up on day 2. We're gonna go ahead and rehouse our green bottle blue, who's sitting in this small switch Tarantula Cribs cage, and we are going to go ahead and put her into a medium Tarantula Cribs cage with the extended top. So let's go ahead and get this set up for her. Alright guys, so jumping into it, let's go ahead and unbox our medium Tarantula Cribs switch treehouse. Alrighty, let's get this plopped out. There we go. Alright guys, so here we have it. Here is our treehouse switch medium by Tarantula Cribs. Here we go. I ordered the neon green background to replace the white, but we have the white here still. There we go guys, that looks sick. Awesome. Let's go ahead and get this set up for our green bottle blue. Again guys, we utilize Josh's Frog's Dig It Dirt. This is just what I've been using for my tarantulas, and it's worked out really well for me. Make a mess in true fashion on myself. I have this cool piece of cork bark here that we're going to try and utilize for this enclosure. Here we have our canopy flat top for this arboreal switch enclosure. Alright, interesting guys. Formerly, the one I have on my medium originally does not have the screen mesh top. This one does. So very cool. Alright, here we go. I have this enclosure set up for our green bottle blue. We're about to transition from this arboreal switch enclosure, treehouse switch medium. She's going to be going into this from the treehouse small switch. So let's go ahead and see how we can do this. Here we go on this rehousing of the green bottle blue. She's chilling right there at the front door if you can see her. Boom. Easy peasy. She's all taken care of. She's chilling right here in the front corner. Let's go ahead and move on to the next. Our next rehousing is going to be our golden blue leg baboon, who's going from this little 3-inch Tarantula Cribs cube to a small terrestrial slider crib here from Tarantula Cribs. Go ahead and set this up, get this golden blue leg baboon transferred in, and we'll take it from there. Let's go ahead and get this golden blue leg baboon transferred in. Golden blue leg baboon transferred into a bigger enclosure. Our last transfer rehousing of the night is going to be this Brazilian white knee, who's outgrown this little tiny spiderling enclosure, and we're going to reutilize this 3-inch cube that the golden blue leg baboon was in for it. And there we go. We got our Brazilian white knee rehoused into the little 3-inch Tarantula crib from the little sling crib it was in. Definitely glad to be stocked up on some upgraded sizes. They start to grow, outgrow their enclosures. I have them ready to go. Have some smaller enclosures for some new slings, new babies, new juvies. Definitely, it's awesome. Great quality, never any issues on my end with them. Very, very much a big fan. It looks beautiful. The tarantulas do well in them. And yeah, can't wait to get more and watch the collection grow. And as my guys start to outgrow the enclosures they're in, I'll be doing some videos upgrading into some of these new enclosures you see behind me, and we'll take it from there.